Feels so amazing. I'm finally riding world's cheapest car. Getting back to home in this car bring back all the memories. Really makes me feel like going home now. This is so amazing. And if you're wondering who is recording this video, it's my dad who is recording. Dad, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत मस्त, बहुत मजा आ रहा है एकदम.
So getting back to the roots. That's how I do it. It's day 4 of my quarantine in the Oyo hotel, and I just woke up because the guy just rang the bell to deliver my evening snack. So let me show you how my room looks like, because I have been waiting from a long time to record all this, but I couldn't because I was stressed. I was very much working on my editing and other stuff. So let me give you a room tour how it is. So let's flip the camera and show you around. So this is how my room looks like. Looks clean and tidy, but believe me, it's not that clean. Yeah, and let's get down. And here they have prepped my evening snacks. Let's take it inside and unwrap it. Damn, they have spilled the chai. So let's see what they have given me today. Every day it's a pakodas of different styles, like pyaz pakoda, aloo pakoda, and today it's a palak pakoda. That's really nice. Food is really good. I don't complain about food, but what I want to bring to your notice is the cleanliness. There is zero about cleanliness. For example, you can see the trash. And for the first 2 days, the staff was really cleaning it nice. They were wiping the floors, and they were putting some plastic bags in green color for the waste collection. But now they have stopped. This is my cover which I'm putting since 2 days. Yep, this is how the hallway looks like, and you can see they have not collected this since 4 days. I don't know why. This is how the cover were, like they used to exchange, but now they are not changing it. You can see they are not taking the trash out, and they are not doing cleanliness, and some people are actually not eating the food. This is such a waste. And that's how they deliver the food. Like the guy comes in and they put all my food on the chair, rings the bell, and just goes off so that I can collect it after a few minutes. And that's how I enter my room. It's very dirty on the floor, and I asked the room service guys if they can come and clean the room. They said no, we are not cleaning. There is no laundry, there is no room cleaning, there is no room service. It's just that they give you the room, they want you to stay inside the room for 7 days, and they deliver the food, you eat and throw the trash out. That's all it is. And they give the water in this. It was okay, it was like sealed, but seriously, this water, and it's so hot outside, and they don't even deliver cold water, so you have to drink this. So they only provide like 2 of the hangers, and I had to hang it like this because I cannot wear the same clothes again and again. So I stuffed my things over like this here, and pretty much the TV works fine. There is a Wi-Fi which is very slow. You get only 512 Mbps Wi-Fi. Luckily, and it's a Airtel modem they give you, so you can play, like, you know, whatever you want to watch, you can watch. It works perfectly. But I connect my HDMI to my laptop so that I can see whatever I want from through my laptop. So I can show you. So there is a HDMI port which is given, which is very nice, which is usually connected to this one, and I remove that and connect to my laptop. This is the food that my parents gave me. They delivered. Yes, you can ask if the staff is nice enough, then your parents can come and deliver the food. I do the cleaning every day of my bed and everything, but maybe not, these things are not pretty much concern of you. And toilets might be a big problem for you guys, so I'm gonna show you toilets. So there is a geyser option which is given. So this is the geyser button. This is like a fan button. This is like the light for this area, and this is the light for the main bathroom. And there is another mirror light as well. Big size mirror. There is another mirror over there as well. They don't provide you any toiletries. These are the toiletries which I collected like 2 years back when I used to stay in Oyo rooms. So I'm using them. Thankfully I saved them for whatsoever reason. The jugaad kaam aa raha hai. Can't help it. Like you can see, it's very dirty. So they're not cleaning washrooms, cupboards very nicely. It is just left the way it is by the previous occupants. And they give you a towel and they don't change it. So I have to use same towel for 7 days. This is too bad. And of course the geyser, the hot water comes in from the geyser. It works really fine and nice. Thanks to this, after 22 months I'm able to see this. To just praise, you know the reason why. Yes, the shower works really fine for me. I'm not sure about others. And yes, they do give buckets and that. So this is how the bathroom looks like. I mean, it's okayish. It's not super clean, I would say. It's something manageable. So yeah, for me at least, these are the scene. I'm not sure about other roommates. AC works really fine. The curtains are really good. There are no blind ports. You can open up the windows. That's not a big problem. Charging ports pretty much everywhere. You have sufficient amount of charging ports. Bed lamps are working, all the lights, fan, everything is working. So I hope this might be able to give you an idea of how 8,000 rupees for 7 days including accommodation, food and everything looks like. Some people might actually like it and some might not. I'm satisfied. I'm really happy that I'm staying for 7 days, else I would go mad. So yeah, 3 more days and I'm out. So I hope this might give you a little gist into my life of quarantine for 7 days. And it's the same. Nothing changes. It's the same food which comes. So talking about food, they provide good quantity, enough for one person at one meal time. They give 4 meals in a day. They give breakfast, they give lunch, they give evening snacks and they give dinner. For breakfast it's usually very light. It's either upma or kind of like, very easy stuff that they make along with the coconut chutney. For lunch it's gonna be rice, dal, a little bit of chas or yogurt or whatever you can say, along with one curry. It can be any curry, dry curry usually. And same goes in the dinner, but in dinner there is an addition of egg. So in the nights they are giving you the boiled egg along with the rice, with of course dal and one curry and some raita. And in the evening they are giving pakoras with chai. So the food is really nice. It's not super tasty, it's not super spicy or anything. It's just perfect in the right quantities as instructed. The tea is really nice. It's a cardamom tea that they are giving here. Can't expect more. It's of course different in 5-star hotel. I cannot compare. So there are 2 things that you need to understand while you're coming from Sweden to Hyderabad or from anywhere to Hyderabad. If you choose Oyo hotel, make sure that you bring a small set of cover bags, because then you can easily dump your garbage in it. And the other thing is, make sure you bring your own toiletries if possible. Like bring small 100 mls, like less than 100 mls it's allowed. What else? I did not had my Airtel SIM card with me or Indian SIM card with me, so I had to reach hotel, connect to the Wi-Fi and talk to my parents over WhatsApp call and beg them to bring me a SIM card along with my Indian debit card so that I can make the payment over here. Thing number 1 is to get, like, if you already have an Indian SIM card, thumbs up. If you don't worry, reach hotel, call your near and dear or family members and ask them to bring your SIM card to you. So get a good internet package in it, because you would need it for 7 days. You need to be like connected with the world, right? Oh yeah, make sure you also have a different bag with you where you have your different clothes, because there is no laundry. So for me it was my rucksack, which you can see. So I packed all my 7 days of clothing in it. So my t-shirts, jeans, shirts, everything is there for 7 days. And so I would highly recommend that make a separate bag or make your handbag to carry your 7 days essentials inside the room. You can of course call your family and friends in here in this hotel maintaining a social distance, wear a mask, sanitize your hands, and make sure that they are at least like 4 to 5 meters away from you. I would highly recommend not to do. I did because I had some issue. These people, they delivered me, like they did not knew on the first day, so of course they gave me the egg rice, which I said like I cannot eat, so they swapped immediately on the day 1. Day 2, day 3, which is like Monday and Tuesday, they gave me vegetarian food which is without egg. But when it came day 4, which is yesterday, the Wednesday, they gave me egg again, and I requested them not to give. I have to see if they are repeating the same thing again today. So I couldn't eat the dinner properly, so I had to make call to my parents, ask them in the midnight to bring me some food. And of course they are parents, so they bring you a lot of stuff. You ask one, they give you 10. So they bought me like all the kharas. What can you expect a Guju guy to have, right? Khakra, ghatia, fafda, thepla, all that. So yeah, I'm stuffed with the food. Even if they don't give me food, I'm not like worried because I already have my stock with me. So that's an advantage to have a really sweet parents. Yeah, but do it only when it's an emergency. If there is no emergency, please avoid calling your friends and family to your rooms because you're risking their life as well. So, just 7 days, बस 7 दिनों का आप इंतज़ार करें family, friends सबसे मिलने का. Yeah, regarding the test, I got to know that there is no COVID-19 test. I don't know how it's gonna be. Maybe I will record this video. I will continue recording on the 7th day to show you how the exit procedure is. This vlog is going to be very different. I actually imagined to record every day, but then I came across a very new information each day. So I wanted to make it like a podcast where I'm discussing the whole arrival thing from Stockholm to Hyderabad and how our hotel is with one of my friend who is studying first year in Uppsala University itself. So I planned in such a way. I'm not sure if he's gonna be able to join me. So now again I have to change the plan. I'm trying to connect with the people who are staying in a 5-star hotel to compare like how does it differ. Is it worth paying 16,000 rupees for a 5-star hotel for 7 days stay, or is it okay to pay 8,000? And so in terms of food, in terms of service, in terms of cleanliness, is it worth paying 8,000 rupees more for a 5-star hotel? So I wanted to compare that. Unfortunately, no one connected with me, so I cannot give you a complete take on that. Sorry. So right now the guy came and told us to bring this paper which we call Tattoo Report down. So almost all bags are ready with me. So I'm gonna go down and see. So as soon as we got down in the reception, they asked us like to go out. So there are people from the office. I don't know which office they are from. Passport office. Revenue department, who collected our passports, and they asked us to bring this down. So people gonna be calling one by one, and they gonna call us name and give us our passports which were collected at the airport. This is so far a known process. So finally I came in. As soon as I got my passport in the reception, they gave me this, which is a quarantine certificate which states that I have been confirmed for 7 days of quarantine. The process was so bad. They didn't even check for the temperature. I have to voluntarily ask them that to check the temperature so that they can confirm. There is no corona testing, nothing at all. They are not even checking your temperature. That's such a shame. So I'm gonna go in, pick up my bags, go like a taxi and go home. So after 7 days of my quarantine, I was afraid in the morning that at what time these people gonna come, the passport people. So there was a new rule passed in the phase 3 of VBM that every international person who is coming from different locations to India they need to hand over their passport at the airport. So it is taken as a surety, which will be returned back to you after 7 days of your quarantine. And that's why we were staying in this hotel and we went down to collect our passports. So they called my name. I went there. I gave my token. There was another guy who was checking the names on sheet. He confirmed my name with the Excel sheet with the passport number and everything. He made me sign on that, and that's it. He gave me the passport. I was good to go. Nothing else. No temperature checking, no coronavirus testing, nothing at all. Just came in, went to I'm in my room right now recording this video. Gonna pack my bags, which is already packed here. Who knows if I have a coronavirus? What if I have a high fever? I'm having symptoms? Who is checking that? No one. This is why the virus is spreading. I'm finally going home. So I'm finally moving out of hotel. My dad is waiting over there for me. हाँ चलो